So hello guys, welcome to my channel youtube.com @VKC. This is like the first video on the backup restore. This is extension to that one. So basically how we can protect our database, especially I am talking about in case of natural calamity like fire, earthquake, etc. That kind of. So it is like completely the new uh, things I would like to introduce in this my video. So that is going to be very useful for you anywhere whenever you want to protect our SQL databases. So I'm talking about SQL database in which I would like to show some document along with some SQL steps in the document which I have written, and from that you can very easily make the things as a doable kind of thing. So let's start. So basically uh, in this video I would like to uh, introduce the things that the first thing that is going to be required for this uh, for transactional uh, log shipping in database. It is called as a, so database must be set to full recovery mode. Means say there is a simple, if I open this one as a SQL database, so all each of the database has a default recovery mode. It is there. I think it is by default. It is simple. I can show you here. Whenever you go with options, there is a full. It is there, but by default it is simple, log and full. So whenever such kind of things, whenever you want to implement that transactions log shipping in SQL, so you need to database as a full recovery mode. So this is the first requirement, because all the files is going to be working in that mode only when it is going to be as a full mode. So you have to right click on that database, whatever the database you do have in your machine, and you click on the task, and then I can see transactions log. So whenever you give it a just click on the transaction log shipping, there would be one screen. It would become the database properties, and you need to click first. You need to add a primary source database, so it is going to be primary, and the secondary whenever you want to try to do the thing. So whenever I will show you here in our database as well. So I have shown this transaction log shippings. When you click this one, there will be enable primary database as a log shipping configurations. So here the main thing here, it is comes natural network path to be backward folder, and if the backup file is located on the primary server type. So here you need to type in such a way everything should be correct, otherwise it will give always error. So here you need to share this primary database folder, where you will create one job for this one. So basically the SQL automatically creates the jobs, but you need to create the folder. Like here I have created one folder, uh, like say it is something that folder name is this one. Let's say it a taste, and then you need taste dot backup, whatever the name you would, but you need to give permission as a shared one to the users level, and then it is by default option. It would come as a you want to delete this source copy as a 3 days. You want to alert if it is more than 15 minutes. By default it is 10 minutes, but you want to increase this one. So whenever like you do and click on this steps, right, so it will create one copy file in this one. By clicking on this one, click on OK, and it will create the backup file at the source locations. So in my case, if it is a source location, it is something somewhere at Gurgaon, and then you will whenever you will do the things, it would be okay. You need to go to the second stage, and in that second stage, what it says, definitely, and by default, it is also the compressions mode. If you go there, there is a compression mode as well. So I need to explain the compression mode as well. So here it is the compressed mode. So compressed mode, basically the database transaction log file would be in the compressed stage, right? So it is more safer and more crispy is there. So you need to go in that in compressed backup mode. So whenever it will be done, so automatically it will go return to the new page in which it will come this this kind of window in your machine as well. So like say this kind of window it will come. So whenever it will come, you will create the things, this window it will come here, right? So before that it is there here, right? So compress backup, and then when you click this OK, so it will come here. So here it is the secondary database, means the database on which location you want to compress it. So here it must be have full writes. You need to like keep in memory that destinations location where like back the copy pad and restorations file it is going to be stored. The user must have the full right for that ones. uh, means full right, otherwise it won't work it. So here in that case, here we created at destination location one folder like log shippings. Within that there is a database there, and in which we created for that one. So here you need to keep the copy. By default it is 3 days from source to destination, and this ls copy somewhat it is there, it is going to be created at destination location, and by default it is going to be like say the setting it is going to be set as if 15 minutes 15 minutes, but you can increase and decrease according to your requirement. So when you go to the other tab like restore transactions log, then it will come as a here the option you must need to keep in memory, no recovery mode, standby mode, and that kind of thing. So you need to go for standby mode, and with the check button disconnected the user when database is nothing, when database is restoring the backup. So that option should be on, and here you will see this there is a copy, and if you see here in the copy it was something the backup file from source to destination, and whenever it is copied then it will be automatically automatic settle job, it will going to be restored at destination location. So everything it is like going to be from source to destination in one to one syncs. So in that case, if any failure comes at one location, like say from one location in source location, your destinations file is going to restore. So please keep in mind that your data will be safe. If in one place it is going to be something destructed or like faulted by because of earthquake or because of any like fire or any unnatural or natural incident happens at one location, basically at source location. So your destination is going to be, so the database file it is automatically create some file and create some transactions log file, and that transactions log file is going to delete it also. So we do have the options for keeping the 3 days, and then after 3 days it would automatically uh, automatically delete it from the destination folder. From source to destination we do all have the option for that one. So here you must keep in mind at source and destinations folder, user the user must have the complete right, means RW rights at source and destinations location whenever the copy is file, and from copy to source to destination it is going to, and from this then automatically that copy it is going to be stored at destination, it is going to be stored at the destination location from source to destination. So basically that are going to be very useful. If you like me, subscribe me, please like my channels for sharing this similar kind of useful channels. So thanks for watching and have a great day. So here it is my handle, it is there, so you can reach me at this handle. Thank you.